Hi, friends, today we'll tell you how to set your name as your mobile ringtone. It is as simple, just navigate to the browser, open the Google search now, search like this FDMR space your name, then press enter. Now you will find number of search results. Now click on the link and see the download option. Click on the download button, then you can hear your name ringtone. Just simply click the Ctrl plus S.
Hello Mr. Shrikant, please pick up the phone. Hello Mr. Shrikant, please pick up the phone. Hello Mr. Shrikant, please pick up the phone. Hello Mr. Shrikant. Shrikant, please lift your mobile. Shrikant, please lift your mobile. Shrikant, please lift your mobile. Shrikant, please lift your mobile.
Just simply click the Ctrl plus S to save the ringtone, set as your mobile ringtone.
Hello Mr. Manohar, please pick up the phone. Hello Mr. Manohar.
If you like this video, please subscribe our Techies Badi channel for more technical videos.